Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I'm Saad Haroon, I'm an alim, my respected teacher and trainer, and my beloved friends or honorable audience. Today's my topic, vineyard. You can say grapes field. I would like to talk about something that has been a symbol of abundance, prosperity, and tradition for centuries, the vineyard. Vineyards with their sprawling rows of grapevines are not just a beautiful sight to behold, but they hold a deep significance in various cultures and economies across the world. My beloved friends and honorable audience, we should know they are also a key component in the agricultural sector, contributing to the economy of many regions. Vineyards create jobs, support local businesses, and attract tourism, bringing in visitors eager to experience the beauty and charm of the wine country. My beloved friends, moreover, vineyards play a vital role in environmental sustainability. Well managed, vineyards can support biodiversity and providing a habitat for various species of plants, insects, and animals. They can also help in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem by preventing soil erosion and promoting health soil through organic farming practices. My beloved friends, vineyards are also a symbol of heritage and tradition in many parts of the world. The knowledge and skills required to cultivate vineyards can support biodiversity, and a keeper of vineyards have been passed down through generations. First of all, through generations, this deep connection to the land and the preservation of age-old practices enriches the cultural fabric of these communities. My beloved friends, I want to highlight the short importance benefits of grapes. First one, health benefits. Grapes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help prevent heart disease, control the blood pressure, and reduce the risk of cancer. Second one, source of energy. Grapes are high in natural sugars, providing a quick energy boost. Third one, skin care. Grape juice, its components help improve skin health and appearance. My beloved friends and honorable audience, in conclusion, the significance of vineyards is multifaceted. They are not just agricultural fields. They are a testament to human ingenuity, a cornerstone of the economy, a haven for biodiversity, and a keeper of tradition. As we admire the beauty of vineyards, let's also appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into maintaining these white landscapes. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently and hardly. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.